What's going on, guys? In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to create your very own trading strategy using ChatGPT. Now this is completely made by AI, so yeah, let's get into it. So for the purpose of this video we're going to be using the AI trading strategy made by ChatGPT on the gold pair, and I'm going to show you exactly how to create your own strategy. So the first thing you want to do is head over to ChatGPT and put in a prompt such as create me a high profitable trading strategy using pinescript, as this is the coding software that TradingView uses. Now they're going to give you a very basic strategy, so ChatGPT is going to give a very basic one. So I've gone ahead and adjusted, played about with the settings and made a very high win rate trading strategy. I know it says 80% right here, but I've back tested it and it isn't 80%. So I've played about with the settings, adjusted a few things, and I've created a strategy which gives you more than a 50% win rate across 121 trades. So if you want access to the code, I can give it to you for completely free. Just hit the link below and send me a message and I'll give it for free. So once you've got the code, so if you are making your own code and adjusting it and playing about with it, you can just go ahead and copy and paste your code from ChatGPT. If you want my code, you follow the same steps. So you click on Pine Editor. Once you've done that, you copy and paste the code that I've sent you. So this is the strategy, and once you've done that, you simply click Public Strategy. Once you've published it, you can see across 121 trades it has over a 50% win rate, which is pretty good. Now I'm going to go ahead and backtest this with you guys in just a second, but before I do, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys something that I believe you guys would be interested in. So I've teamed up with Instant Funding AI, a Propfirm passing service, and they pass your challenge guaranteed, no upfront payment. As you guys can see, they passed a 200k account, another $4,000 payout, a $6,000 payout, a 50k account passed, and so on and so forth. You can check them down, description down below. And I know some people may not be interested in passing for trader scale, so they also offer passing for FTMO, where pretty much they'll give you access to their AI trading bot, and it can be used to pass FTMO and many other prop firms. Now just to confirm that obviously the payouts are legitimate, you can see on FTMO's dashboard, you can simply copy and paste this URL if you want yourself and check it for yourself. I'll leave in the description down below. $2,600 payout was made using the bot, and if we scroll up, an account was passed on 19th of February. If I click verify, click open, once again you can copy and paste this URL yourself to check the account was passed. Now moving back on to the strategy, let me show you guys how you would use this trading strategy. So you can see that the bot gave a call right here. At this wick it gave a long position, so you could put your stop loss right here at this low and you could have taken this trade. So long position, start of this candle, stop loss below these lows, and you can target a simple 1 to 2. But let's say you were targeting one of these highs. So let's say you're targeting this high right here. That would have been a 1 to 4 risk to reward trade. Now that's one of the wins so far. Let's go over another one. So you can see obviously it's not 100% accurate, so you have some of these trades but you have to be quick in and out trade, so you may have lost some money around here and here. But you have moves like, for example this short position that you could have entered right here. At this candle, put your stop loss at the high, so short position around this candle right here. You could put your stop loss right above here, and and if you were to target a low right here, you'd have catched a 1 to 9 risk to reward. Let me show you guys another trade. Here you have a long position trade you could have taken right here. So if you were to put your long position right here, you could have put your stop loss below these lows, and you could have targeted all the way up here this would have been a more of a long-term trade. It's not something you go in and out with, but it's a 1 to 4 risk to reward, 3% gain with a 0.7% drawdown. And then this is based on the 15 minutes, guys. So obviously if you're a quick scalp trader, you may want to drop down to the 5 minutes time frame. And if you see in the 5 minutes time frame, they're much more quick in and out trades. Like, you could have entered one of these long position trades. So long position right here, you could have put your stop loss around these lows. Now obviously the win rate may not be as good as you are on lower time frames, but here's another 1 to 2. Let's see, you could have catch this very good long position trade right here. So if I get my long position right here, we got a long position call right here, and where I would have put my stop loss, you could have put it below these lows right here and targeted, you know, somewhere up here, and that would have been a 1 to 4 risk to reward. Now what you can incorporate to make your win rate higher is not just take buys based off of the bot, but you want to incorporate stuff like fair value gaps, liquidity, you know, all the ICT concepts that you can put within this trading strategy, and it'll just increase your win rate from 50 to easily 80-90% win rate. But if you want to use no technical analysis and just use highs and lows, you know, it's a very easy, quick 50% win rate strategy, which is pretty good. But yeah, there's a bunch of data. Like I said, if I click on Pine Editor, click Publish Strategy again, I'll take this off the chart and I'll show you. You can see the data all over here, performance, you can see some losses, some profits, you can see all the information is here, so you can check it out. You can see the risk and rewards, etc. All of it is free and available. Once again, if you want access to the strategy, all you gotta do is send me a message. I'll leave one of my Telegram handle down below, so you can just send me a message and I'll send you over the strategy for completely free. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave them down below. And if you want me to backtest this strategy and actually show you live results from my own Propfirm challenge account, just leave it down below and I'll make sure to make a video on it and give you an update. Thank you.